Sometimes it isn't what you are carrying, but how you carry it. The new Tern Doublewide Decks for the latest Tern GSD unfold from the sides of your GSD, extending 25 centimeters from the edge of your frame. These provide a wide, stable area to place large items such as coolers, toolboxes, water bottles, and a well-stocked campsite. Each deck supports up to 110 pounds, keeping the weight low to the ground for your center of balance, and for lifting your cargo with ease. The required lock stand extensions help you access the lock stand with the double-wide decks deployed. The decks fold up quickly and are designed to integrate seamlessly with the cargo hold 52 panniers, fitting behind or in front of the panniers when folded. The Sidekick Doublewide Decks can be used as footrest for passengers with the included passenger straps that keep the decks locked in place, providing additional safety when carrying passengers. The folding Sidekick wide decks unleash the power of the GSD to easily haul bulky, oversized cargo, while maintaining the bike's compact, streamlined design when not in use. We can't wait to see what you carry on your GSD and the new Sidekick Doublewide Decks.